welcome to my channel. So I am getting ready to bleach my hair, and I am taking down the front of my hair right now while I'm going to tell you guys what I'm doing to save time. So first things first, just a quick background on my hair so you guys know, this will be the third time that I bleach my hair myself. Now, I am not a professional. I am not a licensed cosmetologist. No way, no way, nothing like that. I do have a lot of stylist friends that I consult with on the regular. So to make a long story short, first time I bleached my hair, I only bleached the ends. My hair was fine. Second time I bleached my hair, I bleached my roots. It has now been 6 to 8 weeks, somewhere around there. Can't think of it off the top of my head, since I bleached my roots. And because my hair is like a copperish color, which is not the color that I want, I'm going to lighten it one more time. The products that I will be using: Blue Flash. You're gonna need some gloves, and I would do this in something that you don't care about. So this is a shirt that I've used for painting and just random hair stuff. And then I am going to mix the Blue Flash with a twinning developer, since my hair is already previously color treated. And then I am going to obviously wash and condition my hair. Not condition, I'm just going to wash it with the blue shampoo. And then after the blue shampoo, I am going to use Olaplex No. 3. And if you don't know anything about Olaplex No. 3, I will link a video below as well as their website to do your own research. Olaplex No. 3 is not a conditioner, it is not a mask, so you do have to follow up with a deep conditioner of your choice. So Olaplex No. 3, I'm going to shampoo and condition with 4 and 5, which is what they recommend. And then I'm going to use DermOrganic Masque. I just recently purchased and received in the mail Olaplex No. 6 and Olaplex No. 7. Now, how I am going to bleach my hair is I'm pretty much going to use the same process as La Vida Rosa, who has bright blonde hair that I absolutely love. I don't know if I want my hair to be that bright, but I love her hair. And then she's actually the person that recommended this mask. She said she uses on her hair every single time, and it makes her hair feel amazing after she bleaches it. So after I do that, or before I do the mask, sorry, I am going to, I'm still trying to figure out which toner is going to give me the color that I want. La Vida Rosa uses T11 and her hair is super bright blonde. Now, my friend told me to do T18, which is what I did on my hair last time, and it did kind of sort of give me the color that I wanted, but I realized that I used it with 30 Developer. So I was watching another video on YouTube, and the girl had bomb blonde hair. Now, she mixed her T18 with 40 Developer. So I think that's what I'm going to try today. I'm mixing the T11 with Developer 30 in the back. I'm mixing T18 with 40 in the front. Now, it is possible to mix your developers. I don't know if that's what I want to do, only because I want to know which one is going to give me the true blonde or that I'm looking for. So I was thinking about doing just the T11 in the back, because the back of my hair, I don't know if you can tell, but it is lighter than the front, because the last time I bleached my hair, I started in the back. And I also did not move fast enough. So this time I am going to start in the front minus my edges. So I'm not bleaching everything, so I'm going to leave my new growth alone, but I am going to bleach my edges because they just love to be dark. So I am going to pause this video and finish up in the bathroom after I finish taking out these braids. So I am officially done, kind of. So I did everything, all of the steps that I told you guys about. The only thing I did not do yet is apply Olaplex 6 and 7. So this is my first time using, so you see the size. It is the Olaplex 6 is 3.3 ounces. The Olaplex bonding oil is 1 ounce. So, I just rinsed the mask out of my hair. I left it in my hair for maybe 5 minutes. My hair is like not completely the color I want, or maybe it is. I don't know. I just feel like I'm never satisfied with my hair, so I can't tell if I'm crazy or what. But as you guys probably saw, I accidentally applied bleach to some of the new growth. So it's not going to be an issue now, but it will be an issue as my hair starts growing out, because I will have a copper-ish color which will not match the rest of my hair. So that's annoying. Okay, so Olaplex 6 says apply a very small amount to damp or dry hair. Concentrating product on the mid-length to end, comb through, and style as desired. I left my comb in the bathroom, but I'm just wrapping up saying goodbye to you guys as I do this. So yeah, I mean, you know, yeah. I'm still happy, like extremely happy. I saw a lot of the ash, but I should not have brought the 11 back up to the front, because now I don't know if some of the ash was from 18 or from 11. You know, now I really have no idea. But the thing about toners is they wash out after, I want to say it's 4 to 6 weeks, depending on how often you wash your hair. So my hair, for the most part, not in the winter, but normally my hair like stays wet because I do a ton of wash and goes. But since it's winter time and I will be doing a ton of protective styles, I won't have that situation. So, ooh, it smells good. First of all of Olaplex smells amazing. It's like not perfumey, but it is perfumey, but not like strong. I don't know how to explain it. So I don't know what style I'm going to do tomorrow just yet, but for now I'm just going to apply this Olaplex in my hair, and of course I don't have a hair tie in here. So yeah guys, this is how my hair turned out. You saw how my hair looked before and throughout the process. So haha, I don't know if I want it super bright, and I'm just afraid. I'm curious to see how that would turn out if I went ahead and did a 30 instead of a 20. So maybe next time, when it's time to for real do my roots, which will probably be in 3 months, then maybe I'll do it with a 30. Maybe. Or who knows? Who knows? This oil smells amazing as well. Just so you guys know. So I'm just gonna give myself 2 cornrows, let my hair relax for a little bit, and then I'll figure out what protective style or what style I will do for tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys have any questions. If you need me to elaborate more, by all means let me know. But like I mentioned before, I pretty much do the same thing as La Vida Rosa, except today. Today I incorporated a few things from another bleacher, YouTube bleacher. So I definitely did risk it all. But that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, guys. Please do subscribe so I can have more of this content coming to you guys. And if you do have an Instagram, be sure to follow me on Instagram at hairvolutions. Again, that's at hairvolutions on Instagram. And comment below if you have any questions. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.